Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to change country location in Skype. It's simple. First of all, you need to log in your account into the Skype mobile app. When you log in that, simply press on your profile icon. Here you can go in the settings. Open your account and profile setting. Simply go in your profile. It just take like 3 to 5 seconds to open. It's still loading. Alright, that's it. So simply you can scroll down. Here you can add your location, whatever you want to set. Like I want to set the name of like any other country. Let's suppose I want to set Manchester and simply press on save change. You can simply add the correct address, correct province or correct country, then simply press on save change. Now you are able to change location on Skype. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.